Welcome to EdbMails, NSF to PST Export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails NSF to PST converter lets you effortlessly export your offline IBM Lotus Notes NSF files to Outlook PST format. The software allows you to preview your data before initiating the export process, ensuring you can verify your emails, contacts, calendars, attachments, and folder structures. Additionally, EdbMails gives you the option to apply filters to refine the export, such as selecting specific date ranges or excluding certain folders or attachments, offering you full control over the export operation. For users with large offline NSF files, the tool offers an option to split the PST file into smaller, manageable parts. This ensures that each PST file remains within the recommended size limit for Outlook, preventing any performance issues or data corruption. You can customize the size of each split PST file, ensuring smooth access to your data in Outlook. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to export NSF file to PST file. NSF to PST export prerequisites. The following prerequisites must be met for a successful NSF to PST export operation. Install IBM Lotus Notes on your computer. Install the 32-bit version of Microsoft Outlook on your computer and ensure it is configured with a profile. Download EdbMails from official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process. Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select NSF to PST, NSF to Office 365, NSF to Exchange. Click Let's Go. Click Add Files. Select the NSF files. Click Open. Click Continue. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the items. Select the folder that you wish to export. Click Export to Outlook PST. Click Continue. Select the location to store the exported data. Click OK. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, export only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. If you want to split the PST files, enable this option and set the required size. Click Continue. Give a name for export job. Click Continue. Export operation under progress. After export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click OK. Click View Log button to get exported report. Now, launch the Outlook application. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open Outlook Data File. Open the PST file. Verify the exported items. That's it. For a hassle-free NSF to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.